Hey guys, nothing fancy here. I'm just doing a quick video of I bought the Harry Potter owl, a Lego owl from Barnes& Noble, and I then chose to motorize it. So I used a Lego motor. Nothing fancy. I'm using a cell phone charger you can get at Walmart for like $5, right? So I took the cable and then I spliced it. To the Lego wire, the Lego motor wire, and so I just did a very simple powering up the motor to make the owl's wings flap. So here I'm going to go ahead and turn on the battery charger. This is 5 volts. The motor is typically runs at 9 volts, but I'm running at its minimum voltage of 5. So let me go ahead and turn it back on. All right. And that's it. This is on my bookshelf for right now. You can see in the background I'm kind of building like a castle, but it's in the works. At a later time I'll take this battery pack out, and then I'll use like an Arduino or a Raspberry Pi to control it. And I was even thinking about tying an input sensor, like a motion sensor or a PIR sensor, to anytime someone walks by the owl, the motion detector will detect the motion and then turn on the owl. So the owl will only turn on when someone walks by it. And this is just right now on my bookshelf in my apartment. So that's it, guys. That's just a quick tutorial.